Hello everyone, welcome to today's lecture. In today's lecture, we will start practicing some questions based on straight lines. So in this lecture, we will start from question number 1 and we will discuss till question number 6. The images used in our slide deck are for educational purposes only. We respect the intellectual property rights of the original creators and owners of these images. If you are the owner of any of the images used in this deck and have any concerns or issues, please contact us at sathee@iitk.ac.in and we shall remove the image. So let's start with question number 1. Question number 1 says, the equation of the line, the reciprocals of whose intercepts on the axis are A and B is given by. So first we will see the hint of this question, how we will approach this question. See what it is given. We know the equation of a straight line in intercept form, right? If any straight line is making an intercept, suppose A with x-axis and B with y-axis, then the equation of line can be written as x by A plus y by B is equal to 1. But here it is given that the reciprocal of whose intercept on the axis are A and B, right? That means suppose x intercepts are A1 and y intercepts are B1, right? The equation of a straight line can be written as x upon A1 plus y upon B1 is equal to 1, right? Now it is given that reciprocal of the intercept, right? That is 1 by A1 is given as equal to 1, right? And 1 by B1 is given as B. Got it? So in this way, you can try to approach this question. You have 10 seconds to solve or think about this question. After 10 seconds, we will discuss the solution, right? Okay, let's move to the solution part. Formula and key points we will use in this question is, first, equation of line in intercept form is x by A plus y by B is equal to 1, right? Here A, B are intercept of x and y axis respectively. Got it? Next, let's see the solution. If A1, B1 are intercepts on the line on the axis, then 1 by A1 is basically A equal to A and 1 by B1 is equal to B, right? As it is given in the question, right? So A1 is basically 1 by A, right? If 1 by A1 is A, then A1 will be equal to 1 by A and B1 will be equal to 1 by B, right? So therefore, the equation of line is x by A1 plus y by B1 is equal to 1, right? Or AX plus BY is equal to 1. Got it? Therefore, the equation of the required line will be AX plus BY is equal to 1. And so option B is the right choice. Got it? Option B is the right choice. Okay. So let's move to the next question. Question number 2. Question number 2 says, the equation of the straight line passing through the point 4, 3 and making intercepts on the coordinate axis whose sum is -1 is. So again, we know the hint of this question is again, we know the equation of straight line in the intercept form as suppose the straight line is making intercept A0 with x-axis and 0b with y-axis, right? Therefore, the equation of a straight line will be x by A plus y by B is equal to 1, right? Clear? Now, the straight line is basically passing through 4 and 3. So, we will put 4 and 3 in place of x and y coordinates, right? Also, the sum of intercepts, right? Sum of intercepts with coordinate axis is basically -1. That is A plus B is -1. Now, we have two equations in terms of A and B, right? So, we can easily solve this equation. Got it? So in this way, you can try to approach this question. You have 10 seconds to solve or think about this question. After 10 seconds, we will discuss the solution part, right? Okay, let's move to the solution. The formula and key points we will use in this question is, equation of the line in intercept form, we know that x by A plus y by B is equal to 1, right? Here, A, B are intercepts of x and y axis respectively. Got it? So let x intercept be A and y intercept will be equal to B. Now since A plus B is equal to -1, therefore B is equal to minus of A plus 1, right? B is equal to minus of A plus 1. Therefore the equation of line is x by A minus y by A plus 1 is equal to 1. Clear? So clearly, let's put the value of 4 and 3 in the equation. Therefore, 4 by a minus 3 by a plus 1 is equal to 1. So after solving it, you will get 4a plus 4 minus 3a upon a times a plus 1 is equal to a 1. Therefore, a plus 4 is equal to a square plus a, right? So a and a will cancel out both sides. Therefore, we will get a is equal to plus minus 2, right? A is equal to plus minus 2. Got it? Therefore, the equation of a straight line can be calculated as, when you will take a as plus 2, then a plus 1, that is b is equal to negative of a plus 1, right? So if a is plus 2, then b will be negative 3. And if a is negative 2, then b will be 1, right? So let's put the value of a and b. Hence the equation of line is x by 2 minus y by 3 is equal to 1, or x by negative 2 plus y by 1 is equal to 1. Right, so option D should be the right choice. Option D is the right choice. Got it? Now let's move to the next question, question number 3. Question number 3 says, the equation of a line passing through negative 4, 3 and this point divided the portion of the line between the axis and the ratio 5:3 internally is. So what we have to basically find? We have to find the equation of a straight line which is passing through negative 4, 3, right? Clear? And negative 4, 3 point, and this point is divided the portion of the line between the axis in the 5:3 internally, right? What we have to do, we basically we will try to apply the section formula since the ratio is given. So by using section formula, and line is passing from negative 4, 3, by using these two information, we can easily reach to the answer part, right? So in this way, you can try to approach this question. You have 10 seconds to solve or think about this question. After 10 seconds, we will discuss the solution part, right? Okay, let's move to the solution. See, the formula and key points we will use in this question is section formula, in which x coordinate is mx2 plus n. We can calculate x coordinate as mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus 1 n, and y coordinate as my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Second, the equation of line in intercept form, right, can be written as x by a plus y by b is equal to 1, right? Now let's do the solution. Let the equation of line be x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. So therefore, according to the given condition, we have t minus 4, 3. T is minus 4, 3, and the equation is in intercept form is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Therefore, the x coordinate will be a0 and y coordinate will be 0, b. Now the point C, which is negative 4, 3, is basically dividing this line segment into the ratio 5:3 internally, right? Therefore, by using section formula, we can find the coordinate of C using 0b and a0 and the ratio 5:3. Therefore, C will be 3a by 8 and 5b by 8, right? By using section formula. And also the coordinate of C is given itself as negative 4, 3. Clear? Therefore, you will equate 3a by 8 is equal to negative 4 and 5b by 8 is equal to 3. Right, so you will get a is equal to negative 32 by 3 and b is equal to 24 by 5. Got it? Therefore, the equation of line is negative 3x by 32 plus 5y by 25 is equal to 24 is equal to 1, right? Equation of line is negative 3x by 32 plus 5y by 24 is equal to 1. Clear? So after solving this, you will get negative 9x plus 20y minus 96 is equal to 0. Got it? Therefore, the equation of a straight line you will get as 9x minus 20y plus 96 equal to 0. Got it? So option C should be the right answer. Option C, 9x minus 20y plus 96 equal to 0 is the right answer. Got it? Now let's move to the next question, question number 4. Question number 4 says, a straight line through a fixed point 2, 3 intersects the coordinate axis at distinct points P and Q. If O is the origin and the rectangle OPRQ is completed, then the locus of R is. We have to basically find the locus. So how we can approach this question? We are given a straight line which is basically passing through 2, 3, and it basically intersects the coordinate axis at P and Q, right? So we can write the equation of a straight line in intercept form, in which it is intersecting x-axis at P and intersecting y-axis at Q. Now, since O is origin, so the OPRQ will form a rectangle, clear? And we have to basically find the locus of R, clear? So first we can uh, put the coordinate of R as H and K, and after that we will try to apply the conditions given in the question to eliminate the constants, right? Different constants, and convert the equation in terms of H and K, and after that you can replace H with X and K with Y, right? So in this way you can try to approach this question. You have 10 seconds to solve or think about this question. After 10 seconds we will discuss the solution part. Okay, let's move to the solution. Now you can see that the formula and key points we will use in this question is section formula. First we will use section formula, in which we will use the coordinate of x-axis can be calculated as mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, and y coordinate can be calculated as my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n, right? Also, the equation of line in intercept form can be written as x by a plus y by b is equal to 1, right? So equation of PQ is basically, since it passes through 2 and 3, therefore C, the line can be written as x by a plus y by b is equal to 0. Clear? So it passes through 2 and 3. So it can be written as 2 by h plus 3 by k is equal to 1, right? 2 by h plus 3 by k is equal to 1. Clear? We can see that x-intercept is as h and y-intercept is k, right? Clear? And equation can be written as basically x by h plus y by k is equal to 1, and x and y are basically 2 and 3. Got it? Therefore, you can convert it as 2k plus 3h is equal to hk. Right. So the locus of the straight line is 3x plus 2y is equal to xy. Right. 3x plus 2y is equal to xy. Got it? So option C should be the right answer. Option C should be the right answer. 3x plus 2y is equal to xy is the required locus. Got it? Now let's move to the next question. Question number 5. Question number 5 says, if x-intercept of some line L is double as that of the line, and as that of the line 3x plus 4y is equal to 12, and the y-intercept of L is the half of the same line, then the slope of L is. So we are given a line, right? And we have to calculate another line, right? Another line for which the intercept is double. X-intercept is basically double as that of this line, and y-intercept is basically half as that of this line, right? So first we will try to calculate the x and y-intercept of the given line, right? So the given equation can be converted into the intercept form to calculate the x and y coordinate respectively, right? So after calculating x and y coordinate, we can easily calculate the x and y coordinate, x and y intercept of the required line, which is L. And after calculating the required intercepts, we can easily we can easily calculate the equation of line using the intercept form, and we can easily calculate the slope of the line L, right? So in this way, you can try to approach this question. You have 10 seconds to solve or think about this question. After 10 seconds, we can discuss the solution part, right? Okay, let's move to the solution part. So the formula and key points we will use in this question is, equation of a line in intercept form is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1, and gradient is negative of coefficient of y upon coefficient of x, right? Gradient is negative of coefficient of y upon coefficient of x. Clear? So now we have equation of line 3x plus 4y is equal to 12 can be converted as x by 4 plus y by 3 is equal to 1, right? Now for the line, required line L, the x-intercept is basically given twice of the x-intercept of the given line. Therefore, x-intercept will be 2 into 4, which is 8. Also, y-intercept will be half of the given line, which is 1 by 2 into 3, which is 3 by 2. Therefore, the equation of line L is basically x by 8 plus y by 3 by 2 is equal to 1. Clear? Now it can be adjusted. And can be calculated slope, right? Therefore, slope of line L is basically m, which is negative 3 by 16, right? Therefore, the slope of line is L is basically negative 3 by 16. So option D is the right answer. Got it? Option D, negative 3 by 16 is the right answer. Got it? Okay. So let's move to the next question. Question number 6. Question number 6 says, for which values of A and B intercepts on the axis by the line ax plus by plus 8 is equal to 0 are equal and opposite in sign of the intercepts on the axis by the line 2x minus 3y plus 6 equal to 0, right? So we basically have to find for which values of A. Clear? So first we will try to convert the given line in the intercepts form, right? And after that, we will first calculate the intercept of this line ax plus by plus 8, right? And after that, we will try to calculate the intercept of this line 2x minus 3y plus 6 equal to 0, and the intercepts are basically opposite in sign of the two lines, right? So in this way, you can try to approach this question. You have 10 seconds to solve or think about this question. After 10 seconds, we will discuss the solution part, right? Okay, let's move to the solution part. So formula and key points we will use here is equation of line in intercept form is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Right. So the line can be written as ax plus by plus 8 equal to 0. Right. And it can be converted as ax plus by is equal to negative 8. Now this equation can be converted into the intercept form as x upon negative 8 by a plus y upon negative 8 by b is equal to 1. Right. Also, the given line is another line is 2x minus 3y is equal to negative 6. Therefore, after converting it in terms of intercept form, as it will be negative x by 3 plus y by 2 is equal to 1. Right. So according to the given condition, we have negative 8 by a is negative of negative 3 and negative 8 by b is negative of 2, right? Because intercepts are basically equal and opposite in sign, right? So a will be equal to negative 8 by 3 and b will be equal to 4, right? Therefore, option D, a is equal to negative 8 by 3 and b is equal to 4 will be the right answer. Got it? So in this way, we have discussed a lot of different types of questions based on a straight line. Hope you understood the concepts, how to apply the concepts in the question, right? And hope you liked our lecture. Okay. Thank you so much.